Hey everyone, welcome to my pick, and today I picked pastry dough. To make the dough, you will need 1 cup of water, 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 5 sticks of butter. First, whisk your salt and flour together. Cut your butter into 1/4-inch pieces. Your pieces don't need to be exact, we're just cutting them to make it easier to mix in with the other ingredients. Now we're going to coat our butter and our flour. Make sure you have a bowl big enough to mix everything in. Once you've coated your butter and your flour, add your cold water and mix to form a thick dough. Remember to use cold water because it helps to keep the dough thick. Your dough doesn't need to be completely homogeneous, it just needs to be mixed enough so that everything stays together. So it's fine if you have clumps of butter in your dough. I've finished mixing my dough, and as you can see, it's not completely homogeneous, but that's fine. Now we're going to transfer our dough onto some saran wrap. I like to put another piece of saran wrap on top just to cover it better. Let's pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. Now that we've chilled our dough for an hour, it's time to roll it out. First, we have to flour our surface so that our dough doesn't stick to the table. Rub some flour on your dough as well so that it doesn't stick. Roll this into a large rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. With your finger, just make 2 marks in your dough, dividing it into thirds. The sections don't need to be exactly 1/3, just around that. Now fold your dough along the marks that you made. Give your dough a 1/4 turn and then roll it out again. Again, roll this to about 1/2 inch. Now just keep repeating those steps until you've folded your dough 4 times. Once you've finished your 4th fold, wrap it in some saran wrap. Now we're going to chill this in the fridge for 2 more hours, and after that it will be ready to use. You can freeze the dough and it will preserve it for several weeks. Just make sure it's wrapped tightly and put it in the refrigerator to thaw it.